Kanbox connects seamlessly to your LinkedIn account through its Chrome extension. Once installed, Kanbox automatically syncs all your LinkedIn conversations, no manual setup required. Now, you can manage your outreach directly from this intuitive inbox. On the left, you'll see filters that classify LinkedIn members based on their connection status and the tags you've assigned to them. This makes it easy to sort and prioritize your outreach. At the top, you can apply conversation-specific filters, whether you're looking for unread messages, conversations you haven't replied to, or those you've never responded to. Everything is designed to keep your communication on track. Let's assign a tag to a user. By tagging contacts, you can create custom labels to track lead stages or add context for follow-ups, allowing for better organization and segmentation. Once you've applied tags, you can filter your inbox by these labels, helping you quickly find conversations based on specific lead segments. This is particularly helpful when managing multiple campaigns or tracking lead progress. Now, let's explore the full screen chat. On the left, you can view key information about your contact. In the center, your conversation history is front and center, and on the right, you have Kanbox's productivity tools, like adding notes, tags, assigning the contact to a pipeline, or setting reminders. Now, let's send a quick message to a contact. You can personalize your outreach directly from here. Personalizing your message is easy. Let's add a smile to keep things friendly. With real-time responses, you can keep your outreach productive and engaging. With your conversations managed, let's explore how Kanbox makes lead scraping from LinkedIn seamless. Let's start by heading over to the Leads section in Kanbox, where all the leads scraped from LinkedIn and Sales Navigator appear. This is where you'll see the leads imported from LinkedIn or Sales Navigator searches, as well as event attendees or post contributors. For each lead list, you can track the progress of the import, see how many leads have been imported, identify any duplicates that already exist in other lists, and check which member of your team imported the list. To import new leads, simply click on the New Import button. From here, you can choose the source of your leads. You have several options, importing from a LinkedIn or Sales Navigator search, from the attendees of a LinkedIn event, from contributors of a LinkedIn post, and more. Let's choose LinkedIn Search as the source. Kanbox will now take you to LinkedIn to perform your search. Here in LinkedIn Search, you can apply filters to refine your lead search, such as industry, location, and seniority. Once your search is set, you can use the Kanbox export module that appears on this page. Give your lead list a name and click Export. Once you click Export, your lead list is imported back into Kanbox. The data is automatically cleaned and optimized for immediate use, ensuring it's accurate and ready for your outreach efforts. Now, let's open an imported lead list. Here you can see all the leads, view any duplicates, apply advanced filters, and even create new lists to segment your leads based on custom criteria. With Kanbox, managing your leads doesn't stop at just importing. It's about refining your outreach strategy with precision. Kanbox goes beyond Sales Navigator by offering advanced filters that streamline your lead management without the need to manipulate CSV or Excel files. These filters allow you to refine your list with criteria that are essential to your outreach. For instance, you can filter leads by whether they've been added to your inbox, a pipeline, or even an inbox of your team members. Plus, you can search by enriched email addresses, scraped email addresses, and even contact details like phone numbers and years in the company. But refining your lead list doesn't stop with filtering. Kanbox makes it even easier by allowing you to enrich your lead data without having to switch to another tool or platform. With the built-in email finder, Kanbox uses advanced algorithms to search for and verify email addresses linked to your leads. This ensures high deliverability, so you can trust that your messages will land in the right inbox, helping you engage with prospects more effectively. Now that your leads are enriched and ready for outreach, it's time to scale your efforts with automations. With Kanbox, automating your LinkedIn outreach is simple and powerful. Let's head over to the Campaigns section in the sidebar to see how it works. Here we are in the Campaigns section of Kanbox. On the left, you can see a list of your current campaigns, those queued to start, and those that have already been completed. In the center, you'll find the sequences running within each campaign. These include actions like visiting a profile, following a member, liking their post, sending a connection request, and more personalized messages like follow-up message 1, 2, and 3. Let's create a new campaign by clicking on New. You can choose your recipients from the list of leads you've already scraped or select leads with specific tags assigned to them. Now, we'll activate the sequences for this campaign by checking them off one by one. Visit profile, follow member, like their post, send a connection request, and follow-up message one. Each sequence comes with customizable settings. Let's click on Send Message to explore the options. Here, you can tailor the message with variables like first name, last name, company, job title, location, and industry, allowing you to send a personalized message to all your recipients. Once all your sequences are ready, simply click Launch and your campaign is up and running. Once your campaign is live, you can easily track its progress from the top menu. You'll find two key sections, Stats and Scheduled Tasks. Let's click on Stats. Here, you'll see a detailed breakdown of your campaign's performance. You can track how many leads have progressed through each sequence, how many accepted your connection request, and how many have replied to your message. Now, for the best part, each campaign automatically generates a Kanban pipeline, allowing you to track its progress in real time. Let's click on Go to Pipeline. Here, you can see the pipeline view for your campaign. Each column in this pipeline represents a different sequence from your campaign, whether it's Visit Profile, Send Message, or Follow-up Message one. The key advantage is that your leads automatically move from one column to the next, based on their progression through each sequence. By clicking on any lead in a column, you can view their member details and the associated conversation, allowing you to take actions if needed, whether it's adjusting messaging or following up. The Kanban pipeline makes it easy to stay organized and track lead movement visually, ensuring that no prospect slips through the cracks. You can even create custom pipelines that aren't tied to specific campaigns, giving you full control over your workflow.